Coming to problem number 14 in page number 12.51, this is informations given in the books of Harsha Bank Limited. We are required to prepare the P&L account. Let us go with one by one informations available. First one, interest on loans. You know very well, when the bank is getting the interest, then we have to take it in the income, take it as income, and it should be in schedule number 13. Then interest on borrowing from other banks. This is interest expended. Obviously, that should be in schedule number 15 because bank is paying the interest. Okay, borrowing borrowings from other banks, borrowings with other banks. So that amount of 10,000 is taken in schedule number 15. Interest expended. Commission, exchange, brokerage, etc. This is schedule number 14. The entire things of a commission, exchange, profit, loss on sale, profit on sale of investments, fixed assets, all those things should be in schedule number 14. Rebate on bill discounted. This is the important point. You should know this. Rebate on bill discounted. Opening balance should be added with the schedule number 13. Closing balance of a rebate on bill discounted should be deducted from schedule number 13. In this case, we are not given with the clear point of the given value is the opening or the closing. Then what we have to do, we should do that it is presumed that amount is considered, but the normal condition is when only that amount is given in the question, rebate on bill discounted, simply one information is given, it is presumed that given value, given amount is closing balance and it is already considered in the problem. But here nothing as stated, so we are taking this in schedule number 13. Okay, that amount of 50,000 is taken in schedule number 13. We are taking this as schedule number 13, right? Yes. Then interest on fixed deposits, interest paid. So we have to take this amount of interest is paid. So interest expended. Another one is interest on investments, where we have to take the interest on investments. That amount of interest on investments is taken in schedule number interest on investments, schedule number 14. Okay, that interest income is received. So in 13, interest on investments, that amount should be taken in schedule number 13. It is a income. Then another one is interest on balance with the RBI. All the banks are required to maintain the balance with the Reserve Bank of India. So we are also that this bank is also maintaining the amount with the Reserve Bank of India, for which interest is accounted. So schedule number 13 we have to take. Then profit on sale, obviously it is in other income. Okay, profit on sale 30,000 we have to take it here. Loss on sale, loss on sale of investments or any fixed asset, loss on sale of fixed assets, that also be in schedule number 14. Then another one is a loss on exchange transaction, that amount is adjusted and taken in this schedule number 14, because you are given with the profit on exchange transaction 10,000 minus loss on exchange transaction 5,000, net amount of 10,000 I have shown here. Then profit on sale of investments 35,000. Next item is loss on sale of investments. So 35,000 minus 5,000, balance net amount only I have shown as profit on sale of investments, that is under schedule number 14. Then income from joint venture, dividends from Harsha Limited, those items also taken in schedule number 14. Okay, so other income other than interest earned are coming under this schedule of 14, sorry, for schedule number 14, other income. Then and another one is miscellaneous income is schedule number 14 only. Then salaries, printing and stationery, rates, taxes, advertisement, publicity, depreciation, auditor fees, director fees, branch audit law charges, postage telegram, then repair charges, insurance charges, expenditure. All those items are taken in operating expenses. Why? Because expenses related with bank interest taken in interest expended. Normal operations of the bank, if you are spending the amount, it is taken under operating expenses. One point you should know: payment to expenses, employees. That payment to employee is any amount given to employees in the form of salaries. That should be under schedule number 16, operating expenses. Then another one item is interest on cash credit. It's a interest income. Okay, interest on cash credit. Cash credit is a loan. Interest paid on cash credit is income. Right? What the amount of interest paid against the cash credit, received against the cash credit, is a income. So we have to take it in schedule number 13. Overdraft is also like that. Interest on cash credit and overdraft, both the things are considered as a loan item. So interest charged against that, it's a income for the bank. So we have to take it under schedule number 13, interest earned. Then next item is interest on current accounts and interest on savings deposit. These two things that goes to interest expended. Why? See, actually in this also you should know one technical aspect. Normally for current account no interest will be paid. Okay, only savings bank account or savings deposit only having the interest. For current account no interest is given normally. That is the general tendency. But here it is specifically given interest on current account. So we are taking in interest expended. But personally I feel that interest on current account, this may be because of current charges, any charges levied for providing the current account, that amount is taken in this. Then next one is retained profit. What is this retained profit? It's a simple profit, but here we are given with 1491 retained profit for 1491, and the information given here is 31st March 1992. So what is this? This amount of retained profit is profit brought forward. What we have to do? That amount of profit brought forward, that is in category number 3, next to net profit 1 lakh rupees, that we are taking here. Okay, this amount of retained profit. Then coming to the adjustments, bad debts written off 55, this is expenses. Okay, in expense side we are taking amount of expenses and this thing losses we are taking here. Okay, amount of expenses and losses we are taking in this side, so that amount is taken here. Then next one, which is provisions for taxation, may be 50%. The amount of a provision for taxation, how will you calculate that provision? See, already I told you that the provision is taken as, yes, that the provision is taken as all the incomes you have to total it minus interest expenses and operating expenses. Then balance we have to take, balance amount we have to consider for calculating the provisions. Okay, that it is considered, that it is included that amount of tax provision at the rate of 50%, right? So this is a slightly typical problem. I won't say this is very complicated one. This is slightly typical problem. You try this, and also you try to solve the related type of problems for essay type question.